Now we turn to Representative Mannion. You have 5 minutes for your comments.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman and Ranking Member, members of the full committee. I appreciate the opportunity to testify today. Today I want to share what I've been hearing from my constituents in New York 22 regarding the healthcare crisis and energy affordability. Across central New York and the Mohawk Valley, people are afraid of what these rising healthcare costs mean for them and their loved ones. If Congress doesn't act quickly and in a bipartisan way, seniors and working families will soon have to choose between the medications they need or paying their bills and putting food on the table. Small business owners who want to do right by their employees are afraid they'll no longer be able to keep the lights on. It's a shame that over the past year, the House majority has been laser focused on passing the largest cuts to health care in our country's history. And now it seems that they are poised to let the subsidies that help millions of Americans make ends meet and afford their health coverage will expire at the end of this year. The cuts will impact all of us. When essential services are gutted, health centers face insurmountable shortfalls, people are forced to drop their coverage, and everything gets more expensive. We all end up paying more for less. Before Congress adjourns for the holidays, let's extend the enhanced premium tax credits to prevent premiums from spiking and give individuals and small businesses some certainty so we can avoid the healthcare crisis the President and the majority party here in Congress have inflicted unnecessarily upon the American people. I'd also like to speak today about the need to address rising energy costs and urge the committee to work on creative federal solutions to expand access to more affordable energy for consumers. On average, New York State residents have experienced a $190 annual increase in electricity spending over the past year. In my congressional district, NY22, utility bills have recently increased by more than 10%, and it's expected that the average household will see a $600 annual increase over the next 3 years. I'd like to share with you some of my concerns that have come to our office from my constituents and they've shared with me recently. Michelle from Cortland wrote to me that my husband and I are paying the equivalent of a mortgage to keep heating our home. Our friends and neighbors are also paying somewhere between $700 and $1,000 per month in electricity, even with similar or decreased usage. Owen from Cazenovia wrote, over the last year, my electricity costs have surged despite making every attempt to minimize use and leverage smart technologies such as connected thermostats, installation of heat pumps, switching to LED bulbs, and more. Despite incurring the expense associated with these upgrades, we have also seen our bills rise with no end in sight. Kelly from Waterville has seen her bill go up by $115 in September to $713 in November. As more data centers and energy-intensive projects get added to the grid, we cannot let consumers get stuck with the tab. I urge this committee to keep consumers and their rising energy costs in mind as it considers legislation or provides feedback to the administration on regulatory action. Americans need more affordable energy options, and I urge this committee to work with members on creative solutions that will both support U.S. energy dominance and independence, but also lower costs for consumers. Americans deserve clean, affordable, consistent, reliable energy systems, and they need to be innovative. We should continue to invest so that we can meet the challenge across the global markets as it relates to energy generation and transmission. And with that, I yield back.
Thank you. The gentleman yields back, and I want to